Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Nisreen Hawley with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices in Sedona, Arizona. Today I am at 4380 Prairie Lane in Cottonwood, and this is a brand new custom build. It is high up on the hill on Prairie Lane, and it has some gorgeous views. Let's take a look around. It's got this wraparound covered porch, pavered, some stone accents. And I would definitely make a seating area right out here so you could enjoy the distant Sedona view. Beautiful red rocks. Let's take a look inside. So you've got luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. You have these beautiful quartz countertops. The tile backsplash is a nice accent. Of course, in a new home, you have all brand new appliances, new fixtures. You won't have to worry about updating or replacing things for a very long time. And then, of course, these are the soft close drawers. The light fixtures in here are very nice and modern. Gives it a real luxurious feel. You have a dedicated space here, which could be, a sitting area, reading area, could be a dining area, however you choose to use it. It's a nice, open, great room, open concept layout. So there are multiple options for how you could position furnishings here. This is the primary bedroom. Quite large. It's got the sliding doors out to the deck. And you've got dual vanities here. The LED lit mirror. This has an absolutely gigantic closet. All kinds of organizers and space there. And then let's take a look at this rainfall shower. Definitely has a spa-like feel. Tile all the way up. Nice pebble floor. And so this is a split floor plan, and the other two bedrooms are completely on the other side of the house. Very private setup. And right out here, you have some pretty gorgeous views. In this paver area, you've got two layers, so to speak, of deck. You've got this closer to the house, and then you get a little better view coming down here to the end. I'll show you how this wraps all the way around. And that right there is the 260. So this is a really easy commute to get to Sedona or Camp Verde, or if you were going up to Phoenix or Flagstaff, you can take that 260 to the I-17. So it's a real nice location if you are living in Cottonwood and commuting to work in another town nearby. Let's take a look at the other two bedrooms and the laundry room. Love that shower. Got the laundry room on this side with the sink. Lots of cabinet space. And this does have a 3-car garage, by the way, so tons of closet space in this house. Every room has lots of options for closet space and organizers in the closets. Some great views. So check this house out. Definitely put it on your list. 4380 Prairie Lane in Cottonwood.